Let's act. Pretend that you are Curly Locks. Tell your friends what happened to you when you went into the bear's cottage. You can say the story first in your own language and then in English. Begin like this. I am Curly Locks. I have curly hair. One day Let's write. The bear family. Papa bear, Mama bear, baby bear. Bring pictures of your family members. Take some chart paper, write on it, my family. Stick pictures of your family members and write their names. Use Mr. and Mrs. for elder people. Write, this is me. Stick your picture under it and write your name. The word curly and hungry tells us about Curly Locks. Can you find some more words which describe the bears and form them into sentences of your own? Write 5 lines on my family. Let's listen and enjoy. A sailor went to sea. To see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Make sentences with sea and sea, tail and tail. Dadine anzu khazam mithinira Curly Locks ji tiyotlin lanare Johnson roji. Let's act lana ta anzu tapkos ra. Anzu tabla zamata di kalore. 수수 이는도 차배요야 지 담주 차배로 이제 제도아 다리라 칼라도 pretend라나 인도 치셔야돼요 마이네 인도 치셔라 then she shows that you are Curly Locks 그라 아니 Curly Locks 인도 치해제 임바차샤스 인도 치셔스 tell your friends what happened to you when you went into the bear's cottage 그라기 딱 그랑 Curly Locks 인도 치 임바차샤 데네 케랑이 트로본졸라 라쇼스 카리총샤 what happened 카리총레 that 카리라 to you 케랑라 카리총순스 when you went into the bear's cottage 다 톰드저기 캄반다나 주두섬바 케랑라 카리총수 케라 트로본졸라 라쇼스 you can say the story first in your own language and then in English 케랑이 좀디 당고 케랑이 기나라 your own nana kerang kiki nala shiche dine jela injinala shishos begin like this go to down the dusu shows begin like this nana didawush ni shows ra didawush ni go to shows then I am Curly Locks ma Curly Locks is I have curly hair malata and silly years one day nimashigla dine khajire I went to the forest and I went into the bear's cottage. Rather than devotion cottage. Ani machi china doche ani bear cottage na zuis. Antagi kaj tonju sibijigan I saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. First I taste the biggest one and big one. It's too hot, right? And then I taste the middle-sized bowl. Too cold. It was too cold. Then I taste the small, tiny bowl. It was perfect. It was right temperature. Then I ate all of them. Then I went into the bedroom. I slept on the big bed. It was too hard. I slept on the middle size. It was too soft. And then I slept on the tiny bed. It was perfect. And I slept on the then the bear family came and they saw me. And then I ran away. 충주 통도 지나 수수수 되버도 다 지루를 수도 삼발라 가르스서 가르삼당오래 지가 subject 가르치단 자지르도 에겐시르도 가르스티고드라 is the art amongst the sometimes 계속 비자더라. Then let's write down to was the bear family 라 톰기나 밀라라 다 디퍼리 티샤다. Papa bear, mama bear, baby bear. konsusumchiba. Tadi peteona shingi bring pictures of your family members. Keragi namigi ani part kishos. Take some chart paper. Dene khatiore ki chart paper lana ti shuchimburo kyanga jare kirwa. Dene kishos. Dene khatiore write on it. Ni chart kana khatiore my family. Ni namilan chiche. Stick pictures of your family members and write their names. Dene khachore ta dis shugdiga kira nami ki part zu charche ra konzu min tishos ra use Mr. and Mrs. for elder people. Ta mi gemba zu la khachore Mr. and Mrs. tishos ra misi ta Mr. lana pula ra mi la koche Mrs. lana mi ta amada sumuda dendri denzo changsa gyasa gyudjela Mrs. la chuba dendri tishos right dene Simbadijala Katore, this is me. This is me lan susula tiche. Diwal Hajar Kore, stick your picture under it and write your name. Stick lana jaro. Keram parja che keram mean tishos. Kandala, this is mean ti, wadla parja, shamdala, susu mean tisura. The word curly and hungry tells us about curly locks. The curly, the hungry lana. Lao ditsi diying anjula curly locks kolki shidoas. Can you find some more words which describes the bears? Kiragi ani ngone setu sarves sikashijra digi denzogi kharidishigi lana which describe lana si denzogi kharidishigi lana the bears. Tom denzogi dishigi setu sarves and form them into sentence of your own. Dene kirangone ani kare tsidusushos dendila trata bear denzu nami da teo gyogi anju tsi kariore anas dina tagatuna tirwa ta tsi dishi gela zambala anju la karigore adjective kila anju chansarwa so tiny di kacha dire di chatirwa adjective chatirwa dine middle kimale dine cold Dina la bold is cold the hot layer hot ani cold ani little layer da de samat adjective chatte ro dina dinde khashi cheche dine suzu khachore chidup asra suzu ngane karida phajula tagi suzu samsu khachine to injimiji dum da tyo ke ko ma pa chidup chidan jashna cheche write 5 lines on my family. Dene susu my family ni nami let kola ani khachore josha digangla chidu mata thik dine line lana thik lora ta thik jinala chidu ji ni le choro chi jina ni le ra dine ji thik khaju thore ngachi shos ra chi ni sumshi ngata ba ngachi shos tadi susu kol susu nami kol tindora kanya ko chunjo chidu tundu tutu the ko chura kalera I have ani nami khajura I have 4 family members ra ani this our relationship my father's name is Tuta my mother's name da ani I have 2 sisters I have 3 brothers karla nera the demati the nation siru tundu theadabshidara siru norgimda then let's listen and enjoy and then nyeche anzo to chiwas nyunga to A sailor went to see to see what he could see. Ra sailor lana tuzin tangkhen shi chola dores. Kachigala to see lana thoya la kare thoya la what he could see. To see what he could see. Kora kare thong thugudu di thongala tagala dores. Ra but all that he could see Koran thong thuye ge changma lo karre was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Kerai korai ine korai kan kare ton toya sama di kare reshalana kaza di bottom lana shamdira pedi wagi tajura sajili yurati sogi malo ra digi ane pe tingri bugi ngombuchi mashi marishas ra the little metuni che make sentences with see tail and tail sidup sushu si lana sochero si lana tawache tongwache dene tongwala ma ko ra si la tail lana shuguche tail lana drum dad or da kunsama dad korani dad ore korani dad ra dine tenda de loga ra so kare koni par konzo ipala susuge sidu resu tabchi tara